Hi guys, and welcome to this educational video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about the trade what I did today in intraday trading, and I'll be explaining you about this trade position. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay. So firstly, today I've traded on Havells. So I'll be explaining you what position I took today and what time I took today and how I took today, everything briefly, and I traded without any indicators. So I'll be explaining you all this thing in this video, so watch the video till the end. Okay, and before that I'll tell you how the market performed today, and before that we'll see how the market had opened today. So this is how the market opened today. So market today opened at 0.66% down at 21,125. Advanced stock was only one, and 47 were declined stocks, and unchanged are two stocks. So this was the opening which came around 9:07 a.m. Okay, so this was just the opening, and once the market opened, so this is how the market performed. So once the market opened in a gap down section, it did took a good support and it was trying to go up, and again it couldn't sustain and the market came all the way down, but again from 115 it took a support and went up and closed around 22,177. Yes, not above the levels where it has gone in the morning. So we can say that not much of an movement in Nifty 50 today towards the bullish side. Still you can see it has closed at minus 0.56% down today with 124 points down. Okay, so this is a Nifty analysis for the day, how it performed. Okay, so before I tell you about the today's trade, how I took and everything, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And also the course prices are very reasonably priced. And once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to communicate with me personally how to learn how to be a profitable trader in intraday trading. Okay. So by being said that, now let me talk about today's trade, how I did and on what criteria I selected and everything. Okay. So firstly, as you guys know, the market had opened in the down trading section. So I thought short selling would be a good idea. Okay. But then I always plan my trade according to how the market performs or how the stock performs. Okay, so I don't pre-plan the trades. Like I don't think like I should buy this stock only or I should short sell the stock only before some of my ranges come. Okay, so I go with the flow of the market or how the stock performs. Okay, so firstly I selected Havells stock to trade today, and what happened was, so I thought that if this stock goes above 1503, then I might buy the stock, or if it comes below 1485, I'll short sell the stock, because 1485 was some of a main support level for this stock, and that support gave a breakout today. Okay, and that's why I took short sell entry. And as I'm doing for intraday, I won't look for a bigger targets, I only look for shorter targets as it's for intraday. Okay, and 1503 was one of a main resistance level. If it has gone above that, I could have considered as a buying, but as you can see here, it didn't go above that level and the stock become very range bounded here in the morning. Okay, so I was just observing the stock, and later around afternoon I get a short sell entry once this 1485 level breaks. Okay, and as it breaks, I'll enter short selling and I keep the target up to 5 points, that is somewhere around 1480. Okay, so I enter short sell somewhere over here and I plan to take my exit somewhere over here. Okay, so you can see here within a candle the target has been hit. Okay, and also the low made for the day is around 1473. So it has gone till 1473, but by following my discipline I just took my exit somewhere around 1480. Okay, so this is the trade what I took today. Okay, and yes, if it would have gone above 1503 in the morning, definitely I would have gone for a buying section. But as the market was very bearish, the stock couldn't get buyers here, so that's the reason why it declined. And also you can see it was in a range bounded section. It was just going from 1503 to 1495. It was just in this range bound section, which was in sideways. So you might ask like, why you didn't take any sell entry before, only like somewhere around 1500 or 1590, somewhere around there, because I knew that there were some key support level in between these levels. Okay, so that's why I waited for the main support level to give a breakout, which was 1485. So I didn't take this risk of 5 rupees uh, by taking the sell entry somewhere around 1590 or somewhere around there. So I didn't wanted the risk, because you can see here 1489, 1490 level, the stock actually took a support here and planned to go up. So again it came up till 1498 again. So again you can see that support was not taken in a good strength. So that's the reason why 1485 gave a breakout, and from there it had come down again. Okay, so it came down from there and it touched the target of 1473, and I exited with almost 5 points of target, and this was the profit what I was able to book today, and I traded in 10,000 quantity. Okay, so this was the trade what I did on Havells today. And if you guys wish to earn how to be a consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to communicate with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.